something that new parents definitely should consider, unless you want your home to smell terrible every day. On this video, we're gonna take a look at the Ubbi stainless steel diaper pail. We're also gonna look at a stroller accessory for diapers on the go. And we're gonna demonstrate the strength of these Ubbi easy to dispense, extremely durable bags. Not like the ones that you get from grocery stores. That is incredible, 30 pounds. So you know that this bag is definitely gonna hold all your baby's poop. Okay, so this is a 75 pack. These also come in packs of 200 and 400. This is the pail itself, stainless steel. It comes in many different colors. It's gonna demonstrate again. This is a 30-pound dumbbell. We're just gonna place that in here for you guys. Okay, so this is a 75 pack. You can also get 300 and 150 packs. This is the pail itself, stainless steel. It comes in many different colors. And let's see if we can even lift it. I have actually not even done this test. Look at that. It actually holds it. That is incredible. 30 pounds. So you know that this bag is definitely gonna hold all your baby's poop. Now if you're on the go and you have a stroller, I definitely also recommend getting one of the Ubbi on the go. It's like a dispenser for your diaper bags. The refills come in 35 packs and they're lavender scented, so when you're walking around you're not gonna have that bad odor coming in. So I definitely also recommend getting one of these. Thanks for watching.